He never argued, never raised his voice, just watched, and somehow got exactly what he wanted. You don't know how he did it, but later you realized he'd already seen it coming. Some people think faster, see deeper, and by the time you've made a move, they've already made 10. Some zodiac signs are like that. They don't shout, they don't show off. They outthink, outmaneuver, and outsmart everyone around them, including you. In this video, we reveal the most intellectually sharp and strategically brilliant signs of the zodiac. They won't brag about it, but if you underestimate them, you'll regret it. In this video, we're revealing the 3 zodiac signs that outsmart everyone, even you. Let's begin. Number 3, Virgo, the analytical master. Virgos don't guess. They calculate. They spot the flaw in the plan, the gap in your logic, the detail no one else noticed. They'll let you speak and then dismantle your entire argument with quiet precision. You can't fake it with Virgo. They've already done the math. And by the time you realize your mistake, they're already 3 steps ahead. Number 2, Aquarius, the visionary mind. Aquarius doesn't just see what's happening, they see what's coming. They don't play the game, they redesign it. Their intelligence is unconventional, innovative, and always 2 layers deeper than expected. While others are trying to solve the problem, Aquarius is building a world where it no longer exists. Number 1, Scorpio, the invisible strategist. You thought this was about logic, but Scorpio plays a deeper game. They study your words, your silence, your patterns. They don't just know what you'll do, they know why you'll do it. They wait. They absorb. And when they strike, it's subtle, silent, and final. Scorpio doesn't just outsmart you. They make you believe it was your idea. Maybe you saw yourself in one of these signs. Or maybe someone came to mind. Someone who always seems 5 steps ahead. Intelligence isn't always loud. Sometimes it's quiet, calculated, devastating. If this video made you think, like, subscribe, and stay close. Because the stars don't just reveal your fate, they reveal your strategy. And before you go, check the description. 2 hidden gifts are waiting for you. See you next time, and until then, keep looking to the stars.